Hi guys, Sniper Gaming here. Today we're doing a pack opening. 5 regular packs, or basic packs, whatever you want to call them. So we've got 500 coins. Then we're doing 2 premium packs. Oh, new one. 2 new ones, okay. I'll take it, collect. Here we go again, let's go. And another pack. I'm making a video. I'll actually meet on the Xbox as well. Okay. My friend Ryan is going to be opening the crate as well. So, let me just quickly go on my manager and try. I've got 6 crates. I've got 4 crates as well. I'm just waiting for him to open. Wait for him to open. Hang in. No. Tell us what you get off it. And say hi to YouTube as well. I know. Say hi. Right, we went through 4 packs already, guys. This is the 4th one. Yes, I got the one I needed. I got the spell I needed. Water balloons. He's opening it now, guys. And I'm opening my second last pack on PvZ Heroes as well. Well, third last pack. Oh, okay. No. Opening a premium pack. Put them on so we can see. We are. Still in the same party. Ah. I think lightning are better. I think lightning better. Right, this is the last pack we're opening, guys. Premium uncommon. Okay. Premium rare. Okay. Premium super rare. We already have him. Except from the 6th one there. So I hope you guys enjoyed that pack opening, and I hope you guys enjoyed the pack opening, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!